I played guitar, I was touring in a band that actually went to absolute and I didn't know what I was gonna do with my life. And then I met Sean and we started selling cars. Behind me, you'll see a lot of different Japanese cars imported from Japan, which is primarily what we do here at Toprank Importers. Toprank was born in Japan with the idea of being a dealership that could retail unique cars to local buyers. And as the demand for those cars outside of Japan grew, so did Toprank, expanding here to the United States, where we operate as an importer and dealership, retailing some of the most iconic Japanese cars to date. My passion for the Skyline GT-R really starts with my R32 GT-R. When I bought it, it was a mess of a car, and I spent a lot of time working on it, making it exactly what I wanted. From there, it became a very slippery slope. I took it to the track one time for an event, a few laps around the track in that thing, and I was pretty hooked. I remember getting out of the car and telling Sean, I want to keep doing this, I want to do more. And we started modifying the car a little bit for use on the track, and now it's a full-blown race car. Beyond my R32 GT-R, I've kept a handful of other cars for myself as well, including a Toyota Supra, an R33 GT-R, an R34 GT-R, an S15 Spec R, Porsche 911, some other things here and there. This white R34 GT-R is something that we found obviously in Japan. With just around 12,000 R34 GT-Rs ever produced, these cars have become a global sensation and they've spread around the world. At the end of the day, these cars are still 25 years old, in some cases older. Finding cars that haven't been wrecked, finding cars that are still in overall good condition is tricky. Finding the parts for these cars can also sometimes be difficult. Though Nismo tries to continue to produce parts for them, because it's such a limited market, oftentimes they're producing them in relatively small batches, which means the wait time to get some of these specialty parts, like the side skirts, rear spats, the bumper, can be quite extensive and very, very expensive on the secondary market if you're not buying it directly from Nismo. As someone who's really experienced with driving specifically these types of cars and obviously truly understands the value of it, you never really know who's driving around you. Here in Los Angeles, we just deal with the reality of there are a lot of people on the roads and you never know who does and doesn't have insurance and who's even gonna stop if they hit you. And one thing I'm constantly worried about, what happens in the event of another motorist hitting me, being involved in an unavoidable accident, or even the car being sideswiped while it's parked somewhere. While there's not really anything I can do about the drivers that surround me or the people that surround my car when I'm not with it, by having a dash cam in each one of my cars, at least it gives me the peace of mind of knowing that if something does happen to it, there'll be video proof for me to go back to my insurance company. I've been involved in accidents before. The very last thing you're thinking about is recording what happened while it's happening. There's times that I definitely wish I would have had a dash cam in order to capture things that were taking place while I was still trying to gather all of my thoughts and deal with the shock of it just happening. Having a dash cam in place now does all of that for me effortlessly and without me having to think about it. One of my favorite things about the Nextbase dash cam is that there's a couple cool features that really do set it apart from some of the other things that are on the market. Obviously, because of what I do and who a lot of my friends are, my cars get lent out to content creators all of the time. Guardian mode allows me to keep an eye on my car when one of my friends or a fellow creator is out driving it for content. And the more I say it out loud, I'm like, I can't even believe how many times I've just let
I wouldn't even let anyone drive.
Someone take my car. As a car enthusiast that owns your dream car, you're always looking to either put all of the best parts on it or restore it to its best possible form. And that shouldn't stop with protecting your car. That's why I chose Nextbase. While there's plenty of cheaper options on the market, you can't put a price on having peace of mind knowing that your car is protected.